In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your keyboard is not working on your Asus laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be if you're using an external keyboard, I'd recommend unplugging it and plugging it into a different port on your computer. See if that resolves the problem, or try plugging it into a different computer altogether and see if it's a keyboard issue. If that's not what the problem is, you would then just open up the Start menu, select the Settings gear button on the left panel, and then go down and select Update and Security. On the left panel, select Troubleshoot, and then on the right side, select Additional Troubleshooters. Underneath Find and Fix Other Problems, select Keyboard, find and fix problems for your computer's keyboard settings, run the troubleshooter on that, and then hopefully it would resolve the problem if you had one. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.